Hey guys, this is Katie. It is my birthday and today we are heading to the afternoon tea at the Shangri-La Hotel here in Bangkok. So if we haven't met before, my name is Katie. Me and my husband are expats here in Bangkok. I'm actually a teacher at primary school here, like an international school, and it is my birthday today, so we have come down to the Shangri-La Hotel for afternoon tea. I'm super excited for it, but yeah, generally I tend to vlog about my daily life here in Bangkok, so if that's something that sounds interesting to you, then make sure you hit subscribe. So this afternoon tea is quite special as well because it's a birdcage afternoon tea. So basically there's like a golden bird cage on your table and the food is served on that, which is quite special and quite pretty, I will say. So we're starting off with a cheddar cheese with chutney and a cucumber with cream cheese. So next we have a ham sandwich with mustard and mayonnaise, some egg mayo with, what's it come with chives, and then this is a smoked salmon with capers and lemon. Right, so we're on our next round. We are on to the sweet stuff. So here we have got a Vienna Sacher tart and a butter marble cake. So we also get a glass of Prosecco each for this afternoon tea. So just to give you some ideas of the price, it is 1,398 baht per birdcage set. And then if you want Prosecco, it is 1,898 per set, which includes 2 glasses of Prosecco. There's certain times of the year, so at the moment this month, because obviously there's no tourists in like Bangkok at all, so lots of the hotels are doing some really good deals at the moment. So at the moment you can pay for the normal afternoon set and the Prosecco's included, which is great. So if you are here at the moment, take advantage of that. But yeah, really enjoying this. It's such a nice view, such a nice place to like enjoy my 30th. Okay, so next up we have what we think is a passion fruit something and a chestnut diplomat chocolate cup. We think. We're not entirely sure. We'll see. So something that is really nice about this place as well is that you're overlooking the river. So we have a table that overlooks the river, and most of the tables here do. And it's a really nice way to spend like an afternoon. The afternoon tea runs from 2 o'clock till 5 o'clock. But it's a really nice way to just relax and unwind, watch the river go past. Like there's lots of little boats going along. It's really nice. It's a really nice way to spend your day, I think. So they knew it was my birthday, and look at how cute this is. They brought out a lovely little cake that says happy birthday. So cute. Right, so that is afternoon tea at the Shangri-La Bangkok done. That was amazing, I really will say. Such good food. Like not one of the things that we tried today was bad. Like everything we had was so good. Callum was saying that his favourite was the passion fruit. I think mine might have been, they had like a lemon tart, that was really nice. But yeah, really enjoyed today. Definitely recommend it as like a romantic thing to do, but there's also like families here if you're here with your family and you want to try something out. But yeah, I would highly recommend this place. Really nice, beautiful views, nice to kind of watch it get darker, and yeah, it's perfect way to spend my Sunday. Anyway, I hope you like this video. If you do, make sure you give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe, and make sure you follow along if you want to see some more Bangkok restaurants and hotel reviews. So thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you very soon. Bye.